Well, the show is 5 years old, and it's a show which was created in a slightly similar moment. I mean, we have even bigger problems now, but it was created at a moment where the major question is, and this is also a major question in Berlin, a major question of my milieu, of my generation, which is how do we, as a generation of hipsters, as a generation of enlightened vegan yoga people, how do we deal with the fact that around us the world is collapsing, political institutions are collapsing, political responsibility is not taken up again. We delegate political responsibility to some politicians who then do a bad job. We forgot that politics is also something which we are connected with, which we have to take care of. We have to take care of our democratic institutions. We have to defend democratic institutions. So how can we do this when at any moment when the going gets tough, we are not courageous enough to go to the very end? This is the show of The Enemy of the People. It's a character who finds out about pollution of the water, but also the polluted society, polluted democracy, and he goes till the very end. He loses his job, he loses his friends, he loses his public face. He's completely destroyed. He's nothing anymore. And this is something which we experienced worldwide with a lot of whistleblowers like Julian Assange or others. And this is something we have to be aware of. You cannot buy democracy in a biological supermarket for eco-food. This is not something you can buy. It's something you have to stand up for, it's something you have to work for, and it's something which is not easy to achieve.